I have been so kindly gifted loads of fragrances from Dossier, which is a French fragrance brand. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you of all the scents they've kindly gifted me, the two that are currently my favourite. I haven't yet smelt all of the fragrances that they've gifted to me, so this really just are the favourites that I have right now. Welcome back to Self-Care Karen. It is lovely to have you here. I am wearing a Chicago top. We visited Chicago a few years ago and just fell in love with the city, and I've just recently purchased some more Chicago tops just because I love seeing the name. It reminds me of the trip. Anyway, I digress. Self-Care Karen is all about empowering busy women with their self-care. I do that here on YouTube. I've got literally hundreds of beauty product reviews so you can make the best decisions possible for your skincare, hair care, body care concerns. I have self-care focused videos too. I'm going through the perimenopause, so quite a lot of what I do is focused on that particular time in our life, but I have covered other parts of a woman's life, and I will continue to do so. I also do lots and lots of guided meditations, and I do videos that relate to a therapy called emotional freedom techniques. You might know it as tapping, so do check out my YouTube channel if you want to see more of that type of content that I've got on here. Also, to let you know that off YouTube, I have a series of products and services that really tie into the videos that I make. And if you want to know more about all of that, then you can take a look at my website, selfcarekaren.com. I'll put a link in the video description. And on top of that, well, actually, as soon as you log on to my website, you get like a pop-up to join my mailing list. And if you join my mailing list, not only do you get some free downloads, but you also get access to exclusive discounts for my shop. So yeah, I think it's an interesting thing to join. It's free, just like it's free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be focusing in on two scents by Dossier. I've been collaborating with them over the last few months. They've kindly gifted me perfumes. As I said, I haven't smelt all of them yet, and I'm just doing kind of review videos along the way just to share kind of my thoughts about the scents that they've shared with me. Dossier is a really interesting brand because basically they offer high quality perfumes that are made with cruelty-free, vegan-friendly ingredients, but at a price point that is really, really interesting. They have original scents, so ones that they have formulated based on their perfumiers, the people that are working there that decide, you know, this is going to be a nice fragrance combination. But they also do quite a lot of inspired by scents. So scents that are taking a luxury designer brand and then Dossier kind of creating an inspired by scent from that. And funnily enough, my two favourites are both inspired by Jo Malone fragrances. And it's funny because, so Jo Malone, there is one scent by Jo Malone which I absolutely adore, which is their lime, mandarin and basil. I think that's the right order of the words, and I love it. A friend many years ago gifted me some like bath bubbles, I don't know, bath wash in that fragrance, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And so whenever I go through like duty free where they've got like a whole stand of Jo Malone, I typically just try that one and maybe a couple of others. And the two that I'm going to share with you today, I haven't actually tried on a Jo Malone stand, but I will next time I go through. That said, I think from the reviews that I've read, the research I've done, these two Dossier inspired by versions are on the money, maybe even particularly with one of them more longer lasting. So I think it is very, very interesting. And what's more interesting, if you're watching this in November 2025, right now they've got this massive promotion on for Black Friday with up to 40% off. So I will link their website in the video description. if you're thinking of trying out anything from them, then maybe now is a really interesting time, because although they are really, really affordable anyway, right now it's like ridiculously really, really, really affordable. So I would encourage you to take a look anyway, but if it's November 2025 when you're watching this, even more so. Okay, so the 2 scents are, one I tried just yesterday and I was filming a different video, and oh my God, love it, love it, love it. It's kind of classified as an everyday scent, and it's called Woody Sage. The top notes are fig, tree and grapefruit, and then there are middle notes of marine and ambrette, and then the base notes are clary sage and amber wood. And yeah, I'm going to just spray it on again on this arm this time. It was on this arm yesterday. Today it's going to be on this one. The Dossier perfumes come in these lovely glass bottles, very kind of minimalistic, chic kind of design. And what I love, I can't rave about this enough, the lids are magnetic, okay? So that means you will not have accidents where the lid comes off and somehow the perfume gets out, because when you're just sort of traveling around, because they are magnetic on, okay, or magnetized on. Right, so let me spray. Now, I think Woody Sage is one of these scents that is kind of unisex. I think actually my nephew is going to really, really like this. But for me, oh my God, it's just so, oh my God, I don't even know how to say it. It's like really fresh, clean, but there's this kind of undertone that's musky, but not in a horrid way, if you know what I mean. The term musk is used a lot in perfume, but I feel like it might have a little bit of bad connotation. Anyway, it's fresh. There is this kind of feeling of being in a wood, and but there's like a kind of, it's not citrus, because right, has it got any citrus? Grapefruit, yes, that's what it is. And then it kind of goes into this grapefruit thing, so you get the wood and then it gets a bit lighter with the grapefruit. Absolutely love this, and it's long wearing like all of theirs. I really, really am really loving this Woody Sage. The other one that is my kind of favorite right now is Fruity Honey. Okay, here we go. So you see it's a similar bottle. I'm going to spray it on this side. This is, let me tell you about it. This is with top notes of blackcurrant and green leaves. Not sure how green leaves smell, but anyway. Honey and nectarine are the middle notes. And then the base notes are peach and vetiver. I never know how to pronounce that. So I am going to spray this on. Yeah, so this is much more feminine. This, I would say, is, I think a man could wear this, woman could wear this, but this one is very sweet because it's got the peach in it, but it's not a cloying sweetness. There's still an element of kind of freshness to it, and I wonder where that's coming from, because you don't really get like a strong honey scent. You know, it's called Fruity Honey. Yeah, you get much more fruit than you do honey. There's also nectarine in there, so I think the peach and the nectarine combine, so it's not too overly peachy sweet. Oh my God, I just love this. I love both of them. What am I going to do today? I'm going to be going around oh, actually quite nice combined. And that's one of the things that you can actually definitely do with the Dossier fragrances. You can layer them, so I might end up, oh, that's a nice combination. Okay, so yes, these are my two favourite scents at this moment in time. So Woody Sage and Fruity Honey. I will put a link to Dossier's website in the video description. Make sure you check them out, particularly if you're watching in November 2025. And please, if you enjoy videos about perfume, but also beauty product reviews, meditations, EFT, any of those, all of those, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is free to do so. Would love a comment below. Tell me, have you tried any of the Dossier perfumes, or what is your favorite perfume? I'm so interested. Why is it your favorite perfume? How long have you been wearing it? All those kind of bits of information. Love to learn. And I guess all I have to say now is thank you so much for watching today. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.